Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, trailering package, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, audio controls, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.